everyone, this is Greeny from TYCORUN China. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will talk about how to swap the battery with our app, and we'll also introduce our 12-slot battery cabinet and the matching battery. And first, let's experience the whole process of battery swapping. Now imagine this is my first time to swap the battery. So at first, I didn't have any battery on my own hand. So what I needed to do is to register my user account on our user app and pay the deposit and fill in some of my personal information and purchase the package of battery swapping. And next, I will scan the QR code on our cabinet and click the Get Battery button. And now the door is open. We disconnect the charging cable.
Please check the battery.
And we get the fully charged battery. And close the door. And now we get a fully charged battery to use it in our motorcycle. And now I have run out of my battery, so I need to swap a new one. The steps are still simple. I scan the QR code again, and the door is open.
Number 3 is open. Please insert the battery.
I put the dead battery in and plug in the charging cable. And close the door. Then another slot door will automatically open and we get the fully charged battery out.
Please check the battery and close the door.
And now the whole process of battery swapping is done. So here comes to the second part of this video, the introduction of the cabinet. So the product behind me is our TYCORUN 12-slot battery cabinet. As you can see, this cabinet is about 180 cm and is made of SPCC material, so it's very sturdy and durable, and is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen display. For users, you can see the battery information and the cabinet information, such as the supporting voltage and the number of the empty slots, and also the battery information, such as the SOC of the battery and the battery voltage. For operators, you can also log into the backend to manage the cabinet to set up some parameters. And here is a built-in speaker which will provide voice guidance for users to swap the battery. And here is an NFC detecting area, so our cabinet both supports users to swap battery with the NFC card or the user app. So now we use the NFC card to swap the battery.
Door number 10 is open. Please insert the battery.
So below are our 12 slots. As you can see, each one of them has an indicator light. For the green light, it indicates everything is fine. The slot is in a normal working condition. And for the yellow one, it means the door is open or there is a communication fault. And for the red light, it means there has charging fault. And for this 12-slot battery swap cabinet, it uses soft connection. So as you can see, there is a charging cable in every slot. Then need to be connect or disconnect when you swapping the battery.
Swap failed. Door number 10. Door is open. The battery.
So this is our standard 12-slot battery swap cabinet. If you have any requirements for the appearance or the function, you can contact us. We support customization. Lastly, let's briefly introduce the battery matched with our battery swap cabinet. So this is our 48-volt 50 amp-hour battery. This is a ternary lithium battery which has higher energy density than LFP battery and it weighs about 16 kilograms. So it's already a little heavy. And for our 12-slot battery cabinet, we also support the 60-volt, 72-volt and 30 amp-hour battery. So in fact, the larger the battery capacity, the heavier it is and the less convenient for users to swap the battery because you need to lift and move it. So generally, the battery capacity for swap battery is not designed to be particularly large. And above the battery, as you can see, there has two connectors. For this one is for charging, and for this one is for discharging. And we also have built-in 4G model and GPS model in the battery. And we also support the customization for the battery. That's all for this video. If you want to know any product catalog or you need more information, please contact us.